Hello guys, and welcome back to another vlog. A new day, a new destination. And here in Atlanta, it's a lovely sunny morning. So let's get started to our destination. They say no trip to downtown Atlanta is complete without a visit to the Centennial Olympic Park. Yes, so we are going to see the beautiful Centennial Olympic Park, a 22 acres green space that serves as Georgia's legacy of the 1996 Summer Olympics Games. So here we are at the famous Centennial Olympic Park. Today, this park is a catalyst for Atlanta's downtown revitalization efforts and anchors a thriving entertainment and hospitality district, spurring billions of dollars of economic development. You can cool off in the iconic Fountain of Rings, locate your commemorative bricks, take a selfie at the spectacular, enjoy the playgrounds, gardens and expansive lawns, and explore the many landmarks and features designed to enhance the visitor's experience. Centennial Plaza is paved with more than 5 lakhs commemorative engraved bricks which were installed prior to the Olympic Games. This is not just a park, but a landmark itself. From Olympic history to one of the Atlanta's most iconic selfie spots, you can discover what makes the park unlike any other in Atlanta. True Olympic legacy has been restored through this park. I hope you will love to come to this park. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.